Welcome. In this video, I'll show you how to delete your story in Facebook. If you find this video helpful, please leave a like and subscribe to the channel for more such tutorials. Now, first up, go ahead and open up the Facebook app. Then you can just go ahead and tap on your story right here at the top tab. All right. So just tap on your story. After once done, go ahead and tap on the three dots at the very top. All right. Right here. Tap on it. And then after that, you have two options right here. One option is archive video. Now, the other option is to delete it entirely. Now, if you want to select archived, this one will remove the video from your story, but it will be saved in your Facebook account. All right. So if you want that option, go ahead and tap on archive video. Now, the other option right here is deleting it entirely without saving a copy on your archive folder from your Facebook account. So if you want this feature, by all means, go ahead and tap on delete. Tap on delete. Once that's done, you should be good to go. Just wait a bit. And as you can see here, it's gone. So that is how simple it is to delete your story in Facebook. I hope this video helps, and I'll see you in the next one.